Hi, hello, and welcome everyone to my channel of Profound Insights, a journey of learning, inspiration, and discovery where you can learn, grow, and share. Today, we will deep dive into another fascinating topic, so get ready to unlock a world of knowledge and excitement. Before we proceed further, please click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to get a notification of insight content, and this will encourage me to come up with more such videos. Without further delay, let's jump right in. Navigating the fast lane, 4 unveiling strategies for swift career advancement. Introduction. The traditional career strategy and the path is today replaced by more flexible and fluid arrangements. The new and evolving landscape offers many opportunities for those who are willing to embrace it. Career advancement is no longer defined as the vertical movement in an organization structure, but is now defined as a journey that is fulfilling and wholesome. In a fast changing professional landscape, fulfilling a career is most crucial goal of the list of any working professional. Unlike the pre-pandemic scenario, professionals today look at agility, adaptability, and career advancement for a more fulfilling career and life. The change in career ambitions of working professionals, and while organizations are doing their part to offer attractive job prospects and the environment. Here are the dimensions that professionals could focus on to thrive in their professions. Purpose-led goals. While clarity and consciousness are cornerstones of making rapid progress in professional journeys, professionals must be driven by purpose-led goals and corresponding values that infuse their decision-making process. Professionals whose career advancements moves are guided by a deep sense of meaning, which are likely to reach the pinnacle of success faster than others. Leaders today are required to look at more than one variable at play. Professionals need to stay invested in learning new skills while honing their existing proficiencies. Thankfully, today employees have the choice to explore a host of options for furthering their knowledge and skills, including career-specific certification courses, on-the-job training, and professional development classes, among others. Building network. Networking is a key skill that can make a significant difference in the pace of your professional growth and career advancement. Specifically, in the new career landscape, who you know in your professional circles is as important as what you know in terms of your skills and competencies. Participating in networking events, mentorship programs, and industry conclaves can help you boost your contacts, and the learning from these events comes as an added advantage to help boost your career. Further, networking across industries can also help you to identify career opportunities, analyze their potential, and tap on the most optimum one for faster career growth. Embracing leadership and responsibility. Firms prefer to fill strategic positions with employees who show leadership qualities and are ready to take on additional responsibilities whenever opportunities arise. Especially in today's scenario, the quality of leadership of being open and transparent is highly valued as a large number of professionals, communities, and citizen developers come together to create the business ecosystem. The capacity to wear multiple hats is equally important, which means aspirants must be willing to step up, rise to the occasion, and take initiative in their current roles to help organizations achieve higher productivity while making a strong case for their promotion to key roles. Managing priorities and maintaining balance. Time management is a crucial aspect of boosting one's career, and to that end, one must prioritize tasks, set boundaries, and optimize schedules in their daily routines. The technique of 4D, do, delegate, decide, and delete, can come in handy to achieve optimum time efficiencies and help you stay ahead of the curve. In addition, pursuing hobbies could boost the productivity of professionals by taking the work pressure off their shoulders and helping them to remain composed even in the most stressful situations. Furthermore, one should always try to create harmony between personal and professional lives, as any loop-sided development won't prove sustainable and long-lasting going forward. Career growth is a continuous process that needs focused attention, effort, and perseverance. Making long strides in your career requires a well-crafted strategy. Create one mindfully and be at it. I hope you found this video helpful. As we wrap up, remember the journey doesn't end here. Explore more videos at Profound Insights under the Career Conversations Navigating Success playlist. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe for more content and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support motivates me to create more videos. Until next time, stay inspired and keep reaching for the stars. Thank you.